3.
Good morning from Islamabad International Airport. This is the new lounge of newly built Islamabad International Airport, and today we are again going to Skardu. Today it's 5th of July and the flight takeoff time was 8 a.m. in the morning. AirBlue has recently expanded its wings for Skardu. Right now they are operating 3 flights per week on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. After getting my boarding card, I proceeded to the main lounge. This is the main passenger lounge where people sit waiting for the boarding to start. The monsoon season had already set in Pakistan and today it was raining at Islamabad International Airport. So I had doubts that my flights might be cancelled for Skardu due to bad weather. As soon as boarding announcement was there, we all proceeded to the aircraft to board in. This was A320 Neo of AirBlue. The boarding was started well before the time at 7:15 a.m. and the flight was scheduled to take off at 8 a.m. in the morning, so we were well ahead of time.
आपसे गुजारिश है कि अपने मास्क हर वक्त पहने रखें। 5 साल से कम उम्र बच्चों के लिए मास्क लाजमी नहीं है। शुक्रिया।
इन्ना इला रब्बिना लमनकालिबुन सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीज़। मानित है बराए मेहरबानी से ग्रीनहाउस इलेक्ट्रिक सिगरेट के इस्तेमाल से गुरेज करें। कुछ ही देर में हमारा अमला आपको हिफाजत मुदाफिर प्रमुख अपनी एक सेफ्टी डेमो देगा। आपसे गुजारिश है कि आप इसे गौर से देखें और सुनें। हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपका सफर हमारे साथ खुशगवार और आरामदेह गुजरेगा। आपकी तवज्जो का शुक्रिया। 251, which will be flying at an altitude of 29,000 feet with a journey time of 45 minutes. In preparation for takeoff, you are requested to switch off all electronic devices and mobile phone and put them on flight mode, as the use may interfere with the navigation and communication system of the aircraft. However, these electronic devices may be used when the seatbelt signs are switched off after takeoff and until they are switched on for landing. Kindly note, smoking is prohibited on all AirBlue flight, and this includes the use of electronic cigarettes. In a short while, our cabin crew will demonstrate our safety procedure, which we ask you watch and listen to carefully. Now sit back, relax, and we hope your journey with us will be enjoyable and comfortable. Thank you for your attention.
Please read the safety instruction card facing the seat pocket in front of you. There are 8 emergency exits on board this aircraft. 2 in the rear left and right, 4 in the center of the cabin left and right, 2 in the forward left and right. Please ensure your window shutters are open before takeoff and landing. In case of emergency landing, keep your seatbelt fastened and bend forward. Stay in this position until the aircraft comes to the complete stop. Thank you for your attention.
As soon as we took off from Islamabad International Airport, I had to turn off my phone because the flight was very jerky from the very start and there was nothing to show you on the ground because our plane was cruising through clouds and it was completely covered by a blanket of clouds. As you can see outside the window, you cannot see clearly the flag of Pakistan which is on the tip of the plane's wing even. After 15 minutes of being airborne, we were finally out of clouds. But out of clouds in a way that we were flying now above the clouds and the cloud blanket was still underneath us. It means that we were not been able to show you Mansehra, Abbottabad, Havelian and even Naran Khan. So right now you can see that there is a blanket of cloud which is again coming to Then finally came the time once we thought that yes, finally we are out of that cloudy patch and we can see the blue skies. Here you can see that still there are some clouds which are ahead of us, but right now we have attained the actual height of 35,000 feet where we were supposed to cruise at. So right now we are cruising at 35,000 feet above clouds.
ख़वातीन से तवज्जो फरमाएं, सीधे साइन होने की बिना पर हम आपकी मदद करने के लिए आने से काफिर हैं। बराए मेहरबानी कैबिन कैमरे के साथ ताउन कीजिए, शुक्रिया। Ladies and gentlemen, we are sorry for inconvenience, but due to seatbelt signs on, we are unable to help you. Thank you.
As you have heard in the announcement of the hostess that the seat belt signs were turned on throughout the flight. It was first flight of my life in which the seat belt signs were never turned off. So resultantly there was no cabin crew inside the aisle. There was nobody to serve because as per SOP, if the seat belt signs are turned on, nobody can move to the lavatory even and nobody can come out of its seat. Even we cannot see properly the Babusar top, and after crossing Babusar top in Chillas Valley the cloud cover was thinner a bit. Still you can feel that it's hazy down there, but yes, we can see the Indus River flowing inside the Chillas Valley. So right now we are cruising above Chillas Valley, and from here we will be taking right turn from Punji towards Skardu.
कुर्सी पर सीधी पानी में सभी से पास जीवन का और जहाज के करते करते खड़े रहे। अभी कोई नौकरी याद आने कराई जा रही है या नौकरी हालात में चार लगाई निकलने के रास्ते छाप के पिछले स्थिति में पहुंच रहे हैं। आपकी तवज्जो का शुक्रिया। Ladies and gentlemen, inshallah we will shortly be having a Skardu International Airport. We will show you a visual design of this airport. From the interview, passing seat
Soon after the landing announcement, we were cruising at Shigar Valley. Shigar is the land where mighty Karakrams are located, and this road, this river which you can see right down there is called Braldo River. This Braldo comes from Concordia Gondogorola, where the mighty mountains like K2, Kasherbrum, Mashabrum, Broad Peak and other 8,000ers are located. As we were approaching our destination Skardu, the weather was getting more clear. As you can see, the skies are clearly blue now and the cloud cover has gone to some other destination right now. So the fear I had while taking off that our flight will not be able to even take off, and I had a fear made here that our flight might be diverted back to Islamabad was gone. This part of Skardu flight has always been very challenging and extremely thrilling because right now you are cruising at 500 kilometers per hour as per ground speed and you are flying at the level of the mountains. From here on you will be going down while the mountains will be rising up. So you can feel the thrill and challenge of the flight as well. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the land of mighty mountains, the land of Indus, the land of majestic beauty, Skardu. This is Skardu Valley, and right down there on the left is Braldo River, and the desert you can see here is Katpana Desert. Now we have entered into Skardu Valley. From here on we will be turning back towards the airport as airport is right behind us. So this is the iconic landing of Skardu International Airport. This was our today's flight. Thank you for watching, and if you are still watching and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe because that has always been a motivating factor for every creator who creates content for you on YouTube. So do appreciate my work by liking, and do subscribe, and do recommend this video by sharing in your WhatsApp groups with your family and friends if you really like the video. Now there will be an announcement that welcome to the airport, and the numbers of the airport will be announced like temperature, like air pressure, this and that. So thank you for watching and see you in another beautiful vlog of Pakistan.
कद्दू के बैन लुकमानी हवाई अड्डे उतरने पर खुशामदी। यहाँ पर बाहर का दर्जा हरारत 20 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, जबकि मकामी वक्त सुबह के 8:51 हो चुके हैं। आपके रावत अवध की खातिर आप सबसे गुजारिश की जाती है कि जब तक जहाज मुकम्मल तौर पर रुक न जाए और हिफाजती बंद बांधने वाले निशानात की रोशनी न बुझा दी जाए, आप अपनी नशिस्तों पर ही बैठे रहें। बालाई खाने खोलते वक्त खास ख्याल रखें, वरना सामान गिरने से चोट लगने का खदशा है। जहाज से निकलते वक्त आप अपना सारा जाती सामान अपने साथ लेते जाएं। अब मैं कप्तान राशिद खान और उनके अमले की जानिब से आपका बेहद शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि आपने एब्लू के साथ सफ़र का इंतखाब किया। हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपका सफ़र आराम से खुशगवार रहा होगा। एब्लू को अपना हम सफ़र मुंतखब करने पर शुक्रिया और अल्लाह हाफिज़। Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to welcome you at Skardu International Airport. Here the outside temperature is 20 degrees Celsius and the local time here is 8:52 in the morning. Kindly remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we have reached our final parking position and the seatbelt signs have been switched off. While opening the overhead lockers, please be very careful as items may fall out and cause an injury. Make sure you have all your hand baggage with you before you leave the aircraft. Now, I would like to say thank you on behalf of Captain Rashid Khan and his entire team. It's been a pleasure having you on board and we hope to see you again soon. Goodbye and thank you for making Airblue your airline of choice.